So this is how you can delete your Tinder account. Go ahead and open up Tinder. And now that we're here, you're gonna want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here we are. What you're gonna want to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And now we are in the settings tab. All you have to do is simply go down and scroll until you can find delete account. This should be at the very bottom of the screen, so all you're gonna have to do is simply tap on it, and now you can choose whether you want to pause your account or delete your account because it's going to give you a warning. For example, it says here, need a break? Take all the time you need. Hit pause on your account and come back when you're ready. Pausing hides your profile from others, but won't delete it entirely. This way, you won't have to start from scratch if you return. So if you just want to have a break from Tinder, you can go ahead and tap on pause account. But if you want to permanently and fully delete your Tinder account, you can go ahead and press on delete account at the bottom of the screen and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.